back to my channel. I feel like when you're a YouTuber, like anything and everything could be content, okay? So one thing about adulting is, living with your parents, you gotta live under their rules. My parents are like clean, neat freaks. Like, oh my gosh, I don't want to get up on Saturday morning and clean. I want to do other things. And I am sick, and I still am recording this video just because that's what I'm doing right now. So this is my room. And we're just going to clean it up, So that's what I'm going to do. Clean up my room. See that over there? And it's really because I don't have any space. I'll show y'all. I don't really have that much space in this room. Is really the problem. But if you like these type of videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. All right, so I'm about to start cleaning, y'all.